Hello, this is Kiran here from Piano Generation. In this short video, I am going to demonstrate how you can set up original sound on your Zoom app if you are using a mobile device like an iPhone or an iPad. I'm using my iPhone over here, but the setting up should be very similar if you're using other kind of mobile devices, even if it is an Android device. So when you open up your Zoom, you want to go to the top left hand corner, tap on your profile photo, then go to settings at the bottom, and the fourth option down, go to audio. You'll notice that by default, noise removal is ticked. You want to change this to original sound for musician. So once you have ticked that, you can go back to the home screen, and when you join a meeting or start a new meeting, this should turn the original sound setting on. You can double check whether this setting is turned on by going down to the bottom menu here, going all the way to the right, tap on more, go down to the second option, audio settings, and check that original sound for musicians is ticked. If not, just tap on it and that should tick that option. Then simply tap done and you are all good to go. If you have any questions on how to set this up, feel free to let me or your teacher know. We would be more than happy to help you out.